TCL Q85H soundbar. Main features are 7.14 channel setup. This soundbar provides a comprehensive surround sound experience with 7 main sound channels, a wireless subwoofer, and 4 up-firing channels. This configuration aims to create a true three-dimensional soundscape, including overhead effects. Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. It supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, which are object-based audio formats that create spatial sound, placing you in the center of movies, music, and games. 860 watts peak music power output, PMPO, delivers powerful, room-filling audio for an immersive experience. The subwoofer alone provides 200 watts of peak power, with a low-frequency extension down to 45 Hz. Ray-Dance technology. TCL's exclusive Ray-Dance technology uses acoustic reflectors to significantly widen the soundstage, providing a larger sweet spot for optimal enjoyment and a more natural, immersive sound. AI sonic adaptation, room calibration. This feature uses AI to test the acoustics of your room and automatically adjusts the sound output to optimize performance for your specific listening environment. Built-in tweeters and center channel. Ensures clear dialogue even during action-packed scenes and delivers precise, high-frequency sound. Specialized sound modes. Includes various preset EQ modes like standard, movie, music, voice, game, and sports to optimize audio for different content types. Bass and treble adjustment. Allows for basic customization of bass and treble levels, as well as levels for the surround speakers. Components: wireless subwoofer. A powerful 8-inch or 6.5-inch, depending on the source, wireless subwoofer provides deep and punchy bass, offering flexibility in placement. Wireless surround speakers. The system includes wireless surround speakers with up-firing drivers to enhance the immersive effect. These speakers require their own power supply. Bluetooth 5.1 enables wireless music streaming from smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices.